There are a lot of design leaks we get for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and now is the time to talk about Galaxy S23 Ultra cameras and most importantly, the new 200MP camera. And as you guys might miss out on this, we already have the real camera samples of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. The real camera sample was out by the king of leaker exynos, but he didn't share these images on Twitter. Instead, shared these samples on Chinese website Weibo, where he compared Galaxy S23 Ultra with S22 Ultra and Pixel 7 Pro. And to my surprise, Galaxy S23 Ultra is much better than the other two devices. The most noticeable thing you can see between the S23 Ultra and Pixel 7 Pro is the saturation part and the sharpness in the picture. As S23 Ultra comes with 200MP camera, we get a sharp picture on the S23 Ultra. And as per Samsung tradition, we get more saturated image. The color tone on S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra are quite the same, where we get more details on the S23 Ultra. He also asked his followers which one do you like the most, and this is the same I'm going to do. Let me know in the comments, which one do you like the most, S23 Ultra or Pixel 7 Pro picture? Now things didn't stop here. We also get another camera sample which was compared with only Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this was leaked a while ago. As there are some more details on this I'm about to share. This image was taken at 16x, which means both S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra was at digital zoom with the main sensor, meaning 200MP camera on S23 Ultra and 108MP on the S22 Ultra, and the difference is quite big, where we get good amount of light and more sharp image on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This indicates there is a big chance we get some really cool zoom shots on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. exynos also shared that Galaxy S23 Ultra were going to come with better low-light imaging, as after the new firmware update, Galaxy S23 Ultra 200MP camera performance gets even better, especially in the low-light imaging. The thing you guys don't know that Galaxy S23 Ultra will see a downgrade in selfie shooter. Yes, on S22 Ultra we get 40MP selfie shooter, but on S23 Ultra, Samsung is going down to only 12MP. To some people, Samsung did this just to cut the cost on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But pixel counts don't matter if Samsung better optimize these 12MP on the S23 Ultra. Samsung plans a out where we are going to see the S23 Ultra on a special event on 1st of Feb 2023, and phones will hit the market after a week or so with some great PR deals. If you want to see the official first look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.